The newest iteration of Lamborghini's high-performance SUV, meet the 2024 Lamborghini URUS Southeast, is sure to amaze you during the trip. This new vehicle makes a stunning debut into the world of hybrid luxury thanks to a potent plug-in hybrid drivetrain that outputs an incredible 789 horsepower by combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Overview: Urus SE is the next step in automobile Lamborghini's journey toward complete hybridization. As the first PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle version of the luxury super SUV, the SE sets a new benchmark for the whole segment in terms of comfort, performance, efficiency, emissions, and driving experience. The thermal and electric powertrain boasts a power output of 800 CV and contributes to an astounding 80% emission reduction figure. The Urus Southeast boasts power, speed, unique driving modes, and enhanced dynamics, making it a revolutionary vehicle poised for the future. Exterior: the design of the Urus SE features even sportier proportions compared to its predecessors. The updated lines optimize aerodynamic efficiency, enhancing the new PHEV Super SUV's rear downforce and cooling performance. The revised design highlights the dynamics of the vehicle's form, accentuating the clean and muscular character of the aesthetics. New elements include the new floating bonnet, headlight clusters featuring matrix LED technology, a reviewed bumper and front grille, a new rear diffuser, and a completely redesigned tail-lamp grille inspired by Lamborghini super sports cars such as the Gallardo. A vast range of customization options is available for customers to enhance their Urus Southeast's extraordinary character. Interior: the interior design of the Urus SE embodies Lamborghini's feel like a pilot philosophy, enhancing the interaction between the driver and the vehicle's digital system. Lamborghini Centro style focused on accentuating a lightweight feeling, with elements such as anodized aluminum trim details and new panel and dashboard coverings. The cabin features new solutions throughout the front section of the dashboard, and the technology is even sharper and more intuitive. With a new version of the human-machine interface (HMI) and a dedicated telemetry system included in the Lamborghini Infotainment System (LIS). VLDD engine: listen to the enriched and deepened sound of the Urus SE. The unmistakable roar of the V8 engine, coupled with a powerful electric motor, made even more engaging by an enhanced exhaust system. CN2 STILE. The Urus SE combines redefined lines and iconic Urus aesthetic characteristics to create a clean, muscular design with even sportier proportions. Explore this revolutionary SUV silhouette. Connects with your Urus Southeast. State-of-the-art navigation, comfort, safety, and entertainment features create unparalleled onboard and remote connectivity for a complete Lamborghini experience. The Lamborghini URUS SE, the first plug-in hybrid super SUV, made its United States premiere in New York during a private event at the Lamborghini Lounge NYC, located in the heart of the Chelsea Arts District. Stephen Winkleman, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Automobili Lamborghini, welcomed longtime Lamborghini customers, VIPs, and the media, together with Reuven Moore, Chief Technical Officer, and Federico Foscini, Chief Marketing and Sales Officer. Unveiling the latest iteration of the Urus Super SUV, our top-selling model in New York, has been a profound moment for us, and we are honored to celebrate this milestone with customers and friends at the Lamborghini Lounge, said Winkleman. The Urus Southeast epitomizes our brand's DNA and philosophy, excelling in both driving enjoyment and dynamic performance. SUVs are in high demand in the U.S. market, so as we continue down the path to electrification, it is vital that we provide our customers with a fun-to-drive hybrid that can also meet their everyday needs. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Lamborghini URUS SE starts at $241,843 and goes up to $273,880 depending on the trim and options. Unveiled at the Beijing Auto Show on April 24, the most powerful URUS ever, the URUS SE, offers an unparalleled driving experience thanks to the plug-in hybrid system that improves the vehicle's performance and dynamics. The URUS Southeast features a twin-turbo 4.0 V8 engine and a 25 kWh lithium-ion battery, which delivers a total output of 800 CV, 789 horsepower, and sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Urus SE 3.5. reaching a top speed of 194 miles per hour. Urus SE, 190 miles per hour.